Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Earth to exactly count the trees on a property and then share that map instantly using a link. Let's say you have an orchard region and a contractor asks you exactly how many mature trees are in a specific block. Don't guess and don't spend hours walking the field. Just open Google Earth on your browser. Search and navigate to your specific location. First, we need to keep our count organized. Go to the top left, click Add and select Folder. Select your Save feature. I selected the new map option. Let's name this folder Mango Trees Count and hit OK. It is automatically saving to your Google Drive. Now for the counting. Look at the top menu and click the place mark icon. It looks like a little map pin. Drop it right on top of the first dark green tree canopy. A box will pop up. Name this pin 1 and press OK. Click the pin icon again, drop it on the next tree, name it 2 and save. Just repeat this process for your entire block. Google Earth automatically saves all these numbered pins into your folder on the left. When you finish, the number of your last pin is your exact total count. It's highly accurate. I actually used this to correct a contractor's estimate recently. Now, how do you send this map to someone else? It's incredibly easy. Because this is saving to your Google Drive, just click the share button at the top of the screen. Change the access to anyone with the link and click copy link. You can now paste this directly into an email or a WhatsApp message. When the other person clicks it on their phone, it will open their Google Earth app and drop them right onto your farm, showing every single numbered tree you just marked. It's that simple. This method saves a massive amount of time and prevents disputes over manual counting. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to visit Dozro for more digital tools and business strategies. Thanks for watching.